Hello there. So my plan is to share a song with you every day in some way. And today I would like to share a song called, what's it called? Singing for the Rain. And yeah, I haven't played this for a while, so I might make some mistakes, but I'm gonna keep going anyway. So, I'm so tired of hearing of all these wars. Oh, my brothers and sisters, really, 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 what is it for? This is a new time on earth, it's time for her rebirth. No more hatred and pain, no more playing the suffering game. Come and sing me your song of love, that is the one. Come and show me the way of peace on earth today. Because I'm singing, singing, singing for the rain. 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 Oh, come and follow me to the mountain tops. Come lift your head up high and see the world from the skies. Born in this world of beauty and pearls, born to be free in this new world symphony. Because I'm singing, singing, singing for the sun. I'm singing, singing, singing for everyone. I'm singing, singing, singing for the sun. Yes, I'm singing, singing, singing for everyone. Come and open your hearts and let your love light in. Come and show the world all the beauty that lies within. Come and open your eyes, for now's the time to see the truth shall set you free. Because I'm singing, singing, singing for the stars. They're dancing, dancing, dancing in my heart. I'm singing, singing, singing for the stars. They're dancing, dancing, dancing in my heart. Peace on earth, now the time has come for peace on earth. Let's come together to live as one. Peace on earth is where we all belong. Peace on earth is in the heart of everyone. It always ends a bit funny, that one, but I can end it with P for peace, 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 P for peace.